Welcome everybody to another episode of the Unbox Minute. Today we're going to be looking at some thermal paste. So this is a fairly generic brand, it's just called Trendy, and there are more fancy name brands, but this is just for the purpose of giving you an idea of what it's like, how it's sold, and how to spread it out. Now on the back you can see information about the thermal paste. It's a 4-gram package. And also there's information on the temperature range that it can handle. So this is once you put it in and the CPU is getting hot, how much temperature can it handle? Alright, so it's time to open up the package and take a look at the actual unit. So as you can see, the kit includes 2 pieces, the actual syringe. So this just says thermal paste. And if you look at the back of it, it says that it has a net weight of 4 grams. So that's the amount of thermal paste that's inside the syringe. Opening the front cap, you can see that it has a little bit of the gray thermal paste visible. And if you push down on the syringe mechanism, it will push out the thermal paste. Included as part of the kit is this plastic spreader. So this is just to make sure that you can spread or apply the thermal paste onto chips, GPUs, etc. Hit pause now for the quick spec sheet on this thermal paste. And if you'd like to see us applying this, do get subscribed and check out our videos. We do have a GPU teardown video where we will apply this paste. Hope you're enjoying our content. Do like and share this with your friends, and see you in the next one.